Our project, the ISS Davis, is a continuation in incorporating aquaponics to our projects. The aquachoice purpose was to help our community with benefits like farming on the ground, while the aquaship helped the community by sea. Now, our new project, the ISS Davis, will help advance science and provide many benefits to California. With our new project, we have also made collaborations with students from military school in Manaus, Brazil.
For the design of our ship, we took inspiration from the Project Hyperion. Our spacecraft was designed for a 5-year mission to Europa, and it has different components, including the gravity wheel, aquaponics and hydroponics, and the sanitation system. The systems have a dual use. For example, aquaponics and hydroponics make food in California. The sanitation system, based on a plant from the Amazon, can be used to purify water.
To make our ship as realistic as possible, we added multiple features that are seen on an actual spaceship. Using Arduino, a small programmable board, we simulated multiple components like the LEDs at the front of the ship, as well as sounds and mimicking the rockets on a ship. For the building of our ship, we also use AI and other technologies. This is a model of a nuclear thermal propulsion system, an advanced rocket engine first created in the 1960s that uses a nuclear reactor to heat hydrogen fuel and create thrust. In California, technology developed for nuclear thermal propulsion can help improve advanced nuclear energy systems to produce cleaner electricity and supports the state's renewable energy goals. It can also advance hydrogen fuel technology, which California is developing for cleaner cars and faster transportation.
In space, that's due to lack of gravity by creating artificial gravity with centrifugal force to prevent muscle and bone loss. The original purpose still works on Earth, but another possible use is as an artificial gravity simulator with its ability to create artificial gravity, which would be perfect for centrifugal training for astronauts.
In addition to all the benefits that we had talked about, the ISS Davis would help provide more employment in the aerospace section of California.